Knowledge sharing enhances project performance and success. Let's explore its importance in project management. Improved decision-making allows teams to learn from past experiences, making informed decisions and avoiding previous mistakes. Enhanced collaboration fosters a learning environment, leading to innovative solutions and better project outcomes. Knowledge sharing standardizes processes, ensuring consistency and improving efficiency in project management. By addressing potential risks through shared information, teams can mitigate challenges that affect timelines and budgets. Continuous improvement is achieved through lessons learned and best practices, benefiting future projects. In summary, fostering a culture of knowledge sharing leads to better decision-making, collaboration, and efficiency.